Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are the traveling couple WL. It's our last day in Italy. We're heading to the airport in Rome. From Ravello, we'll be making a quick stop in Naples before catching the train to Rome airport. We've engaged a private driver from Ravello to Naples. The drive will take approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, depending on traffic. The driver was courteous and even slowed down for us to take some photos. After arriving in Naples, we had a quick bite and headed to the train station. We purchased our tickets at the station and we had to make one transfer at Rome Termini. From there is a direct train to the international airport. From the airport station, it's just a short walk across to the airport terminal. Arriving at Rome Fiumicino airport a little early gives us time to relax at Prima Vista Lounge before boarding our Qatar Airways business class flight to Doha. There are different seating areas and they have a small selection of cakes, salads, hot food, and cold meats. If you need to refreshen up before your flight, they have shower facilities as well. It's time to board our flight. Stepping aboard the business class cabin, you notice Qatar's signature burgundy accents. The seating arrangement is 1-2-1. We were warmly greeted, and as we settled into our seats, we were offered Qatar Airways' signature drink, fresh lime and mint. Alongside the drink, the crew also provided a refreshing towel. Waiting at my seat was a bottle of water and an amenity kit, a soft plush blanket, and a small pillow. I was told that if I wanted the pillow as a souvenir, I could take it home. Being a night flight, we were given pajamas and slippers. There was plenty of legroom to stretch and rest. If you need to charge your devices, there are charging points. There is a storage compartment for your belongings, as well as storage space for your shoes. At the side of the seat, you find the Oryx headphones. I did not use them, so I'm not too sure what the sound quality was like. As we push back, it's time to sit back and relax and watch the lights of Rome fade into the distance as we climb into the night. One of the highlights of flying Qatar business class is the dining experience. It is dining on demand. Before departure, the cabin crew came over to take my order. I've made my choice, keeping in mind that I've had a pre-order for my main course. 14 days before your flight, you can view the menu and pre-order. After reaching cruising altitude, we were served warm nuts and a drink. Not long after, I had my meal service. My first course was the amuse-bouche, which was perfectly cooked, followed by soup of the day and my pre-ordered main course, the lobster thermidor, which was well cooked and succulent. I finished my meal with some fresh fruits. After a satisfying and delicious meal, it's time to explore the entertainment system. If you didn't have a window seat, you can access the plane camera views. If you're a Qatar Privileged Club member, you can access the Wi-Fi on board. There are also lots of movies to keep you entertained. It's time to get some rest. The cabin crew helped make my bed. The seat converts to a fully flat bed. After getting a couple of hours of rest, night has become day, and I was served a cup of tea with a biscuit. Now that it's nice and bright, we can have a look at the amenity kit. It features luxury products from Dipytque. Inside was a body lotion, lip balm, face cream, and a eau de toilette. The men's kit had the same products, but just a different color box. Prior to landing, we were given some Laderach chocolates. I definitely won't say no to that. Thanks for watching our video on our experience on Qatar's business class. We had a great experience and wonderful service from the cabin crew. If you've enjoyed our video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook page which you can like and follow, and you can also follow us on Instagram, TTCWL. After disembarking the plane, we hopped onto the bus which took us to the terminal. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.